Yeah, we're here today at 1730 Winchester Drive in Winter Park. Brand new construction at 4,080 square feet. We're looking at 3.249 million, a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath. So let's take a walk inside, take a look, and see what this home looks like today. Really beautiful entry, walk-in, very nice dining room right here on the left-hand side as you walk in. Built-in wine cellar underneath the stairs. Take a look upstairs to see really excellent carpentry and trim work that's done in this home. Really all wood, real stairs. Really makes the home very elegant.